EventPro360 is the ideal event management solution for hospitality industry professionals. The events calendar can be synced in real time to your Outlook or Google Calendar, your phone calendar, or an events calendar on your website. Leads can be automatically populated into the system from an event request form on your website. Each event on your calendar has its own event page that is intelligently designed to capture every detail. You can customize the event page layout and fields to fit your process. Once you set the menu for an event, the details auto-populate across the platform to all of the right places, saving time and ensuring consistency. Generating event documents is fast and easy. Create templates for contracts, invoices, proposals, BEOs, and more. The system also has a built-in e-signature capability. In just a few simple clicks, documents are sent out for signatures, with automated reminders for unsigned documents. With batch reporting, you can select a date range and send critical event information to your team with just a few clicks. The client portal lets you securely share event details with your clients or club members with a convenient link for direct access. And when it's time to collect money from your clients, EventPro360 Payments makes it easy. Clients can pay deposits, installments, or full invoices online by card or ACH. The system's reporting and marketing tools are powerful. Track leads, pull reports, and grow your event business with confidence. EventPro360 was built for hospitality professionals, with tools designed to simplify your life and elevate your events. For a personalized demo session, click Request Demo and choose a day and time that works for you. EventPro360. Simple, smart, efficient.